Hello everyone, in this video I will share my experience that Canva versus Capcut, which is better for video editing. So here I have compared both of the software, Canva versus Capcut for video editing. I have used Capcut a lot for video editing, as well as I have used Canva for my thumbnails. I have also used Canva for video editing, which I will share my experience later on. So here, first of all, I have divided into four parts: ease of use, templates, features, and best for. So Canva ease of use, very user friendly with drag and drop interface, but it is only user friendly just for making thumbnails or images, whatever you just want to do with the images, posters and everything. On the CapCut, it is very easy to use editing, typically based on your phone or laptop or PC. I've also used Premiere Pro and it is a lot easier to edit a video in CapCut. Everything is very easy to read. You have to just tap very less and everything. Now let's move to the templates. Canva provide a lot of templates. You can just find templates for everything. On the other side, CapCut, it doesn't provide you a template because it's a video editing software. Canva features basic video editing tool. You can just drag and drop, you can just erase, cut and everything. You can add overlay, text, transition, animation. That's thing. But on the CapCut, you can do the little bit of advanced editing tools, effects, filters, music integration, multi-layer editing, and a lot of which you can do on the professional software such as Premiere Pro or Accent Pro. So here, which is the best? Best for Canva is best for simple, quick edits. If you just want to make a little bit of, here and there, just a normal GIF videos or normal edits, just you want to add a text and something, social media content, marketing videos, that's it. For the CapCut, if you want to do a little bit detailed video editing, creative projects, social media, YouTube videos, or longer form of videos, you can do that. The conclusion, best for basic editing, you can always use Canva, and best for advanced editing, you can use CapCut. So here I have mentioned each and everything and you can use it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.